let's talk about it. How do you build a cult following that keeps on coming back for more? People that love you, that know you, and trust you. I'll talk about a couple of things. First things that you need to research into a niche that you love, you enjoy, and you're willing to be consistent in. YouTube is not for the weak at heart. Trust me. If you want to do YouTube right, you need to put in the work. It's not something you just do flimsily. You cannot afford not to be consistent. You must be consistent. So, first of all, it has to be a niche you enjoy doing, something that you're willing to commit time and energy to, right? Then you need to be consistent. You need to post regularly and you need to engage with your audience. Make sure it's something that they love, that they really want to watch back. I'm telling you, if you're able to start with the end in mind, don't forget, I was living on a borrowed audience, of which I am redirecting their affairs back to what is working for me. And I'll share with you that about that later. But I need you to understand that if you want to start your YouTube channel, and by the way, if you want to be part of our Content to Cash Academy, all you just have to do is click on the link in the description. You'll get 80% off. It's just for the month of October, right? This is our anniversary month. So you're going to get that. So go ahead and click on the link in the description and be part of us, okay? So it's very important that to build a cult following, know what you love, know what your audience loves, and keep on giving them. Don't post today, come back in 1 month's time. They don't know who you are. People say the people that want to watch your content, they need to know you, they need to like, they need to trust you. If you're not coming back consistently, how do you want them to trust you? How do you want them to give you their time, their eyes, their attention? Build that cult following. They're gonna love you. They're gonna come back. Keep posting. Even if you get 0 views, keep posting. Don't let that stop you in your content creation journey. You need to be consistent. You need to love what you're doing because you see, if you don't love what you're doing, you're not gonna get the impetus to keep on going. Because if you don't love it, you're gonna stop it. So make sure that you love that particular niche. It's something you enjoy doing, and you can keep on doing it for more times than most. Okay? So when you post consistently, make sure you check out maybe the best videos that have happened. Check out your analytics, right? It will tell you a lot. The way to know if somebody's really enjoying your video is to go to what I call the average view duration. Now, of course, if people want to, I want to get a lot of views, it's not about getting all the views. It's about knowing whether that video is making sense. So if you check your analytics and you check that video, check the average view duration. If they're clicking off in the first 5 seconds, forget it. They don't like it. But if they're staying to halfway, maybe 1/3 way, halfway, that means that they love the content. So keep on doing more of that. So the ones you see that they're clicking off so quickly, don't repeat this kind of content. Look at your titles, look at your thumbnails, right? Because really, for them to even watch, they must be attracted. So make sure that you come up with thumbnails that actually show forth what you're doing and you're doing it right, okay? If you don't know how to go about using thumbnails, go ahead to Canva and just ask it for templates. Or go check your competitors out, see what they're doing, right? Just be creative with it, okay? Because people have to click first before they watch, okay? And if it's not doing well, change the title, change the thumbnail, and of course, improve on your hook, improve on what you're saying within that video. And I tell you, with time, you're going to have a cult following. You're going to have people that love you, people that know you, and people that trust you. And I have that. I'm going to share with you my very first monetized YouTube channel because I kept on being consistent. People are there because they love the content. When they don't see me, they're asking, "What's going on? Where are you? You've not posted." Yeah, I took a break one time from the channel, and they're like, "Where are you? Where have you been?" I'm telling you, because it was a cult following and they enjoyed the content and they were really enjoying everything I was saying and they were learning from it. Don't forget, you can't be rambling without any form of value. There has to be value. Values are very important, right? So that's a little bit about it. To create a cult following, love what you do, be consistent, right? And when you do that, engage and check your analytics. If it's what is working, keep on working it. God's going to give you grace to do more. I'll see you in the next one.